Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I wanted to introduce to you all a brand by the name of QROWNED. It's designed by a black woman named QROWNED, and she's based in Baltimore City, Maryland. If you want to see more black designers in your wardrobe, then definitely check out QROWNED. She makes men and women's clothes that includes streetwear, everyday wear, formal wear, and her clothing is very sexy, edgy, classy. So if that sounds like you or who you want to be and dress up to be, then this is definitely the brand for you. So when you shop online, you'll see that the site is very user-friendly, very easy to navigate, and the customer service is impeccable. They're very friendly, polite, and they respond quickly, which is really important. The site is consistently updated with the best looks, so you can always check and check again to see what's new. Once you order your clothes, you'll receive them in the most beautiful packaging. Your clothes are wrapped in very luxurious, beautiful sequined fabrics and packaged with care. That's really important. Quality and presentation is really important to QROWNED. If that's the value of yours, you definitely won't be disappointed. The clothing itself as well has really high quality fabrics. You know it's gonna last you. Unlike a lot of these stores with the fast fashion, you know, you wash it one time and it's done after you put it in the dryer. You don't have to worry about that. These clothes are not cheap, okay? They're not. QROWNED offers free shipping, so that's always a perk. Get 10% off with my code QROWNED by Queen Keisha. Use that code and you'll get 10% off your entire purchase. This dress is called the Gag. It's a beautiful deep red and gold, perfect for the holidays. So I know your Christmas party is coming up. This dress is it. The material is thick enough so my underwear doesn't show. As you can tell, it's form-fitting, but it's not distastefully tight in the least. It stops right above my knees, and mind you, I'm 5'8", 5'7.5", and most women are shorter than me, so your knees may be covered. I really love the texture to the touch and the way it feels on my body. It's really comfortable, beautiful, sexy. I feel sexy in it, but I don't feel overly sexy, so I think it's appropriate for different settings. This jumpsuit is called Pearled and Chained. Now, I know a lot of us women don't like to wear our entire backs out, myself included. I have some scars and hyperpigmentation on my back, so I prefer to hide them. And I know some of us have rolls, we prefer to hide those too. But these pearls and chains are very forgiving. As you can see, my whole back is covered, but you can still see peekaboos of my skin, which is really sexy, but it's done so classfully. Classfully? Classily. I think I meant classily. Whatever. And the chains are so beautiful and unique. It really spices up this all black jumpsuit. It fits like a glove. The material is thick, firm, stretching, and relatively warm, so that's a plus. And I think this is my favorite out of the looks I'm showing you guys today. Yeah, definitely my favorite. Now this white blazer is called Business Tee. I love this. I can definitely dress it up with a poofy skirt or dress it down with some boyfriend jeans. Here I'm wearing a bandeau, but you can go topless under this blazer tastefully. The corset makes it so special. I always love when clothing has a snatched waist to give me more of a silhouette. So this is another instant fave.
I prefer my forearms out when I wear blazers, so I folded the sleeves up a bit. How would you style this number? Leave me a comment below. Now lastly, this dress is definitely a formal evening wear style dress. There's no dressing this down. Now, it's typically not my style to go for silvers and diamonds. I'm a gold girl, but this fits so perfectly. It's my favorite length. It stops right below my knees. So if you're shorter, then it'll probably stop at your calves, and if you're taller, then your knees may show. The top part is a bit sheer, so you'll need to wear a bra or pasties for sure. Oh, hey, it's your world. Maybe not. It's up to you.
So that's it. Thank you so much, Q Envy, for creating this amazing brand, Crowned. Make sure you follow Q Envy on Instagram at Fashion Sicko. Also follow Crown's Instagrams. I'll have them spelled out right here and down below in the description box and in the pinned comment, so you guys will not mess up the spelling. Thank you so much, viewers, for supporting Black businesses. I know that's a value of yours if you follow me, most likely. And thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.